A sorted array of distinct numbers and a target. Return the target's index, or if it's missing, the spot where it would be inserted. Take 1, 3, 5, 6 with target 2. 2 isn't in the array. In sorted order it belongs between 1 and 3. Here's the array, indices 0 through 3 underneath. The answer we return is an index, not the value itself. Target 2 isn't here, so it slots in at index 1, between 1 and 3. The rule says log n time, so a left-to-right scan is out. Sorted plus log n means binary search. Each step checks the middle and drops half the window. Middle too small, left jumps past it. Too big, right pulls back. Here's the part that matters. Left only moves past values smaller than the target. So when the window closes, left sits at the first slot that isn't smaller. That's the insertion point. Watch the return. You might reach for right, or return -1 when the target's missing. Return left instead. If the target existed, we'd have returned its index already. Window. Left at 0, right at 3. Middle is index 1, value 3. 3 is bigger than 2, so target's in the left half. Right moves to 0. Now the window is just index 0. Middle is index 0, value 1. 1 is smaller than 2, so target's to the right. Left moves up to 1. Left is 1, right is 0. Left past right, so the window's empty. Return left, which is 1. That's where 2 belongs. We never found 2, but left tracked the boundary the whole way, staying just past the smaller values. When the window vanished, it was sitting right at the gap. Each step drops half the window, so the work grows with log n, 2 index variables and nothing else, so the memory is constant. Let's write it. The window covers the whole array, left at 0, right at the last index. Open the loop while the window holds. Take the middle, equal to the target, return that index. Middle smaller, drop the left half. Bigger, drop the right. When the loop ends, the window's closed and left is the insertion point. Return it. Binary search isn't only for finding things. When it comes up empty, left already points at where the value belongs.